if you prefer the premium experience and have the money to spare, then InSinkErator Evolution XL 1 horsepower is tough to beat. Hi folks, this is Ben Nguyen from Healthy Kitchen 101, and today we are doing a comparison video with the InSinkErator Evolution XL 1 horsepower and the InSinkErator Batcher 5 half horsepower to try and figure out if these garbage disposals are worth buying at all. So if you have ever wondered which one between these two is better or just how they are different, then this is definitely for you. We'll be using the results that we have collected from doing the scrap mix test, where the disposals will take no longer than 4 minutes to process 11 types of foods that weigh roughly 90 ounces in total. To assess a performance in the test, we focus on how quickly the disposal finishes the task and how finely the output materials are processed. The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it. The Evolution XL is one of InSinkErator's best garbage disposals and is better than the Batcher 5 in every way. It has a stronger motor, a more advanced chamber layout, larger holding capacity, and overall better build quality. These elements together offer a more satisfying and smoother grinding experience. The clearest example of this is the way and speed the Evolution XL performed in the test, specifically how it processed the input load compared to the Batcher 5. It took the Batcher 5 twice as long to finish the task, and if you pay attention to layer 1, which is the amount of larger shreds in the output, and layer 2, which is the amount of smaller shreds, the XL produced much lower amounts than the Batcher 5. This tells us that the XL is much less likely to produce large shreds, therefore less likely to clog your pipes than the Batcher 5. Now, the InSinkErator Batcher 5 half horsepower does look like a riskier choice, but if what goes down the drain doesn't concern you that much because you're in your own place and you have your own system, it could still work. The disposal is a much cheaper machine, around $100 at the moment of speaking, and it can process vegetables and fruits relatively well. And most importantly, it's very durable. However, if you prefer the premium experience and have the money to spare, then InSinkErator Evolution XL 1 horsepower is tough to beat. It's something you buy when you don't want to worry about what goes down the drain, because apparently raw fish bones are still a little too easy. Plus, it's one of the quietest garbage disposals that we have ever tested. Right now you can find the XL going for around $320. We hope this helps, and thanks for watching.